I'm telling you, man, one of the worst parts about Knoxville is the traffic and the drivers. They're pretty rough down here. Hi, thanks for stopping by. My name is Travis, and this is Travis Does Kayak Fishing. This is a very special week for me. It's Thanksgiving week. Today is actually my birthday, November 22nd, and what I wanted to do for my birthday, it sounds kind of shallow. It was to come to Knoxville. My family couldn't come yet, but I want to be in Knoxville, and I'm out here on Watts Barr, and I spent the day fishing with an old high school friend named Chris Bruce. I don't know what I'm going to go into this video. I've got a couple different ideas on what I might show you, so we'll see how it unfolds. I won't disclose too much, but you're going to see my fishing events. I've fished today out here on Watts Barr from Caney Creek landing? Yeah, Caney Creek. I can't tell you how good it felt to bring my kayak home with me. But this is it. This is Watts Barr. A man recently caught an 11-pounder out of here. It's the record for the lake. What I didn't know was this lake has some smallmouth. Let me take you through the day. This is Chris Bruce. Me and Chris went to high school together. He elected to join me out here on my birthday, my first time kayaking in Knoxville, and I know I'm going to catch a fish. I don't know how many. Let's see how Chris does. I think Chris is actually a pretty good angler from what I've heard. Yeah, I went to Santee Cooper for the event, and I forgot to take like flip-flops to the state park shower, and I wasn't about to stand in there. So I ran to the Dollar Tree and didn't think about taking my transducer arm off while I was in there, and I was like, nobody's gonna take just the arm and the transducer anyway. And then like 3 minutes, man, came out, put the flip-flops in the back, and I'm like, the whole fucking arm was gone, dude, transducer. And I'm like, it had to be another fisherman. And I'm like, oh, son of a... don't even know what it was. Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking, that guy was coming this point here. Like, I haven't measured it. He said it goes way out, and I see it on the chart, so I might try and work around this corner. And then I was thinking trying to run bridge rip right for a minute. Alright, I'm gonna work this point, and I'll be over there in a few. You want to walk him in? I mean, it's just a cheap set, but...
Heck yeah. Let's stay in touch.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it around then. That's wild, man. I haven't even made it halfway to the marina around. Yeah, turn it around. So up to this point, Chris has had good luck. He's caught him almost half a dozen. I've struggled offshore trying to get the A-rig to bite. So I'm gonna remove myself from the area and go down to where Chris is at. See if I can't get on some like he is. But this is a perfect example of fishing in teams can help you if you're struggling. One of you can find the pattern for the other. You can get on some fish.
So this is the crankbait I've caught them on.
Yeah.
It's a rock, like the rock collar, but it's a little bit, it don't hunt so much. It's
Not
a little
quite
bit
so much
tighter.
longer.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, the rock collar is my favorite one, but I've heard good things about this in colder water. The water's still 58. So
What is that one from?
Money badger.
Not for the last few minutes. Are you back to that Berkeley?
Yeah, that's what I call the wild one, especially the one. I've actually lost one other fish. I got a kayak, but I didn't.
How deep are you catching them out there? Are they pretty shallow, or are you about out to that 10 to 12 foot range?
I'm in like 12, but I'm catching them pretty shallow. I mean, I'm catching them with dead. I don't know, 46 foot I'd say.
Okay, I'm going to start hitting the rocky points around there. It looks like I'm 2 points around from the main lake. Did you take a left or a right when you went out?
I made a left.
I'll be catching up to you probably in about 15 minutes, if not faster. So balance it a little, watch the tip wiggle.
chuck this around.
All right. Yeah, I think it's your lure, brother.
Oh, you got your one already?
Man, he's so small. My first one in Knoxville, though, he gets a photo out of the way. Little smallmouth. That's only the second smallmouth I've ever caught, though, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't catch a lot of those. I specifically went targeting them about 3 weeks ago at the only lake up there we really have them at, and managed to get.
Video, actually, now that you mention it.
Yeah. He was a little bit smaller than that one, but my understanding of smallmouth, if you catch a big smallmouth, you got a pretty good experience. Most of them are kind of.
Get you on some smallies, dude.
Yeah. Alright guys, another small one, crawl colored lure, my second one from Knoxville, Tennessee. Let's get him back. That sound is the Caney Creek bridge. There's a metal plate that goes across the far end, and it is loud and will induce your anxiety. Thank you, Knoxville. Alright guys, that's a decent one on the spinner. Let's get him back and see if we can get more. And that's it. I got the two smaller guys, one decent. It's always nice to get a smallmouth. I'm super happy I got some of them. So really happy Chris got like half a dozen. I hate I didn't get any footage of it. Being one camera only now, I normally don't get a lot of shots of other people with fish. So sorry Chris, it's not a slight, it's just terrible camera work. And I think now I'm gonna take you through my hometown and maybe tell you a little about myself after you see my shenanigan fell here. Okay, so who am I? I'm Travis Tyler Folks, born in Knoxville, Tennessee, November 22nd, 1983, Fort Sanders Regional Hospital to Alfred John Folks Jr. and Leslie Yvonne Fox. I've got two brothers and a sister, one of which I actively associate with, and the other two I just never see. I can't say it was a normal childhood. I was actually pretty angry, a lot of PTSD type stuff that impacted my life and affected my mental health. I made a lot of bad choices, got in a whole lot of trouble throughout school and beyond. I did have some normal hobbies, skateboarding, football, and marijuana. So after I got released by the state, I decided to go back to church and see what I could find there. And while I didn't get the answers I was looking for, I did run into a girl I knew when I was 15, and Rachel Norman became my wife. We went on to have this amazing kid who prefers to go by they, and chose their own name later in life. And I gotta tell you, it couldn't be a more wild and fun experience to be my kid's parent. I love it every day. It's funny, before I got my mental health together, I never thought of Knoxville as a place I would miss, but now that I'm getting treatment for my anxiety and imposter syndrome, I just feel free and like Knoxville accepts me. It feels amazing to be accepted in your hometown. And this is just a quick rundown of my history in less than 2 minutes. It's been almost 5 years doing this. I figured it was time. All right, let's get back to the fishing. I'm gonna save my family video for me. We'll do all right. Hope they like Waffle House. I'm joined out here in Watts Barr today by my oldest brother, my hero. He always has been, always will be. My cousin, Corey, and his father-in-law. They make up Van Gogh Fishing. Great people. And the winner, whoever gets the biggest bass gets to pick where we eat, and the other team buys. We did end up buying, just so we're clear. Go around to like the front edge of the point, and we'll go down the sides, and then we'll see which side has bites. If we find a side with bites, we'll smash it. But I think that and all that's gonna, we got a chance. Yeah, we'll just work back behind it. If we don't get anything around it, we'll move over and hit that rock. Maybe a snag. I think it's a fish. It's a good one. Nope. Not a good one. But a white bass. So we got stripers coming through here. Yep. Easy with that 7-footer. You're good. I saw that thing go by the eye. That hoodie may not make it long.
You want to go out or you want to go in?
We'll start here and work out and see if we find them, and if not, we'll hit the backside. They had all their luck. Well, they were about 50 yards in, and they had two. Yeah, I heard him hooting and hollering over there again. Yeah, he's going hunting.
Doesn't throw very well.
That was another side. It looked like a brick going out there, but
Well, it feels like too.
let me see that guy for a second. I want to see how he casts. That looks ugly, dude. Like, that looks real ugly.
Yep.
Yeah. Let's see it. I'm dialed in. Not very far. You think for something that big, he feels like he's got a good balance once he gets going. Yeah, good wobble on him. All right. So we're going for the jig. That's what I asked for. They run on a jig. Maybe. Yeah, it is. Pull him in, brother. Pull him in, brother. Get him over here, brother. Get him over here, brother. Holy shit! Whoa! That's a drum.
Block him.
Yeah. Goddamn, dude. Good drum. Good drum, brother.
He didn't say the biggest bass. He said the biggest fish.
Right. Here. I got you on my phone, bro. Just hold on. Here. Let me get back here so I can get a good one. I'll send you the picture as soon as I take it.
Oh, I'll get this shit all over me.
Yeah, it'll be fine. I've never caught one.
6'1", 5'15", 5'15". Less
I mean, he's skinny. Oh, yeah, I guess.
Struggle searching for lure.
Ish.
No. Oh, 13.
14. Just over, almost 15. And 13. Well, I mean, that's
Right.
just over 14. 14 and a half. Get bigger. Oh, that's bullshit. I know that's a fucking fish because it double tapped me. Yeah, it is.
That is. Oh, you got a good one. Yeah. Front boat's doing you well today, brother. Bring him in. Damn, you and
Another
these
one.
drums. That's bigger than the other one, bro. Hang on, hang on. I got you. Hang in there. Hang in there. Hang on.
That's off.
I fucking knew he was gonna take your
Oh,
lip.
he broke it.
Yeah. I was like, get it, get low, buddy, get low. Yeah, you're good, bro. We ain't getting that. Hang on, let me try this.
Oh, shit. I didn't know you were getting off.
I said, let me try it. That's good.
Ow.
So it's not wire. Oh, nice. This side.
Not super big.
Uh,
14 or 6.
Creek Valley, Laurel Bluff submerged. And I ended up just being kind of lazy for a little bit. I took the GoPro off and turned the battery off for a bit. Didn't turn it back on for the rest of the day for some reason. And we ended up catching a few more. Had a great time in Knoxville visiting family and friends. And for the first time in forever, I actually look forward to going back. But I'll definitely be going back with the kayak again. Thanks for coming, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And thanks again. Hey, while you're here, YouTube thinks you like the video on the left. I really like the playlist on the right. If you like what you're seeing, just give me that subscribe, please. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.